Hey, what's up guys? Check it out. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your headlights on your vehicle for under $5. So all I'm using is simple water here, a couple of cloths, this Plastex here from Meguiar's, two pieces of sandpaper, one is 1500, the other one is 2000 grit. That's all I'm going to use. So look how it looks before. Look at how this one looks real hazy. This is just a little before shot. Check it out guys. So I'm going to be wetting it down really good, get it nice and wet. I don't know what's up with this nozzle, but yeah, I'm just gonna get it all nice and wet, wash off anything that's on there, bugs, get it all nice and wet so that way the sandpaper just glides on there real smooth. So right here I'm gonna start it off with the 1500 grit sandpaper. Just gonna get it all nice and wet. Well, it's a little bit hard with one hand, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Just gonna stick it on there and I'm gonna spray it all down, and it should work for right now. It's just I don't have a tripod. So I got my 1500 grit. This is what I'm gonna start it off with. I was gonna start it off with 8, then 15, then 2000, but I just went straight to 1500. Think it'll still be okay. So I'm wetting it down right now. It's a little hard to hold it. Like I said before, my tripod is messed up, so it's a little hard to film everything with one hand, but try to make it work. See, I just stuck it up on there just to try to get it to hold. I'm just really saturating it, getting it all nice and wet. There it is, ready to go. Look, you can see all that milky stuff coming off of it. And you see all that milky stuff coming off of it, that's a good sign. It's nothing but a bunch of oxidation and the old clear coat, stuff like that, that's on top of it. So that's what we want to take off. We're cleaning that up right now. So I'm just cleaning off that first layer of junk that's coming off. It's dripping down, kinds of nasty stuff. So I'm just taking care of that, keeping it wet like I said before. Now this is just a temporary fix. What this is something just to get us by, clean it up a little bit, but if you really want to do it right, you'd probably have to spray it with some like nice UV protection clear coat. See, it's starting to look real hazy. Actually looks pretty nasty looking right now. Don't look good at all. So we're going with the 2000 grit. Same thing, same procedure. I just tore it in half and I'm going to spray it down, get it all nice and wet. And then I'll just start cleaning up the light with the 2000 grit. As you can see, it's starting to take off less and less of the oxidation and the clear coat, the original clear coat. So that's a good sign. This was a very easy project. I did it all in probably less than 10 minutes, both sides. Please don't forget, if you're doing this on your own vehicle, try to use masking tape. Painter's masking tape would work the best. I didn't have any and I was just kind of in a hurry and just did it right away. But if you do it on your own vehicle, please remember to use the blue masking tape. Thank you. Alright, so the plastics just kind of blobbed out. I didn't want that to happen, but check it out, guys. I'm going to just polish up the window or the headlight using this stuff here. I'm going to spread it out evenly, let it dry, then I'll come back and I'll buff it out. It would be a lot better with the dual action polisher, but I'm just using what I got here. And like I said, I'm trying to do it in under 10 minutes. Alright, so I didn't get the video of me polishing it, but this is how it came out after it was done. Look how much nicer that's looking. That looks a lot cleaner. It's actually like almost looks brand new, except for that side marker didn't come out that gray, but the front part you could tell it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. Alright, so that's probably going to be it for this quick little video. Catch you guys on the next one. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, guys.